How to connect with professionals on LinkedIn. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your preferred web application and at the top search bar type in linkedin.com. Get logged into your LinkedIn account. Now, in order to get connected with professionals, at the search bar type in the name of the professionals that you would like to get connected with. Then you will see their name. Click onto it. Here you will see follow, message, request services, and more. Now, if you are just looking to follow this person, then simply click on to follow. This will make you their follower. In order to connect, click onto more section, scroll below, then you will see connect. Click onto it. Then don't just send out connections. Also add a note. To do that, click on to add a note. And you can type in how would you help this person in order to achieve her goal, or how you both would help each other in order to grow your profile on LinkedIn. Once done, click on to send. And that way, if the person accepts your connection or your connection request, you two guys will be connected on LinkedIn. And that will work for you. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.